Well, Focus was out here monkeying around again and somehow managed to break the small door that I made a couple years ago.
I'm sorry, Master. Please don't throw me in the burn pile again.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll let you go with it this time because this actually gives me the opportunity to show you how I would fix a cracked door. All right, if we look at it, we can see that the crack is only at the back and doesn't go all the way through, but it does extend right down to the bottom. And so since we already know that wood glue is actually stronger than the wood itself, I'm just gonna open the crack a little bit, squeeze some wood glue in there, and then clamp it up tight and let it dry. Since the door is already finished, all I need to do is wipe off the excess glue and then let it dry for a few hours and it will be as good as new.